In the pursuit of a healthier home, the Wi-Fi-enabled indoor air quality sensor stands out as an essential tool. This smart device monitors your indoor air quality and sends alerts straight to your smartphone, keeping you informed and in control. Round-the-clock air quality monitoring. The sensor is designed to track key air quality indicators, such as PM2.5, VOx, CO2 levels, temperature, and humidity. This comprehensive monitoring ensures that you're always aware of the air quality in your home, empowering you to take immediate action when needed. Real-time alerts at your fingertips. Thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity, the sensor seamlessly integrates with your home network and sends real-time alerts to your smartphone via an intuitive app. Whether it's a rise in pollutants or a shift in air quality, you'll receive instant notifications, enabling you to adjust your environment promptly. Easy monitoring and management. The user-friendly app offers a clear dashboard for monitoring air quality, setting alerts, and reviewing historical data. It's designed to be accessible and straightforward, making it easy for you to manage the air quality in your home from anywhere. Hassle-free setup and maintenance. Setting up the sensor is a breeze with quick Wi-Fi connection and minimal maintenance requirements. The app guides you through any necessary upkeep, ensuring your sensor operates efficiently and effectively. Creating a healthier living space. By leveraging the power of this Wi-Fi-enabled indoor air quality sensor, you're actively contributing to a healthier home environment. It's about more than just comfort. It's about ensuring the air you breathe is clean and safe. For those eager to explore how this sensor can enhance your home's air quality, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll be sure to respond within 24 hours with all the details you need. Let's breathe easier together.